The grammar point used to is a very useful piece of grammar and quite easy to use as well, and it has two very similar functions. Let's look at the first one. We use used to describe a past habit that is no longer happening. So here's our timeline, and here's an example. When I was a boy, I used to go to my grandmother's every Saturday. Look at it on the diagram. In that past time, when I was a boy, this was a regular action that I don't do now. Let's look at another example. Before she came to this company, she used to work from home. Let's look at that on the diagram, but in a slightly different way. This is the point when she came to the company, and until that time, she regularly worked from home. That was her past habit, but it's not true at this company. The second function, which is very, very close to the first, is a past truth that is no longer true. For example, I used to be short. Now I'm tall. Notice there that I didn't say when, because used to gives the idea that it was in the past, but it's no longer true. I could have said, I used to be short when I was young, or when I was 12. They used to live in a caravan, but now they live in a big house. It was true in the past. Now it is no longer true. The form of used to is like past simple. For positive sentences, it's subject plus used to plus verb. I used to knit. You used to be so much fun. He, she, or it used to run fast. We used to go to Spain on vacation. They used to smoke. There used to be a candy store here. I've given an example with there. Now you know there is, there are, and there was, there were. Here we have there used to be. The negative of used to is like this. Subject plus didn't used to plus verb. I didn't used to sing very well. You didn't used to be so much fun. He, she, it didn't used to run fast. We didn't used to go to Spain on vacation. They didn't used to visit. There didn't used to be a candy store here. Again, this is like past simple. Notice there's no D on the end of use. Let's look at question forms. For yes-no questions, we have did plus subject plus used to plus verb. Did I used to sing very well? Did you used to be so much fun? Did he used to run fast? Did we used to go to Spain on vacation? Did they used to visit? Did there used to be a candy store here? And the short answers are, yes I did, no I didn't, yes you did, no you didn't, etc. And yes there did, no there didn't. Just like in past simple. For WH object questions, it's question word plus did plus subject plus used to plus verb. What did you used to do? How long did you used to sleep? Why did he used to hate me? How many dogs did they used to have? Who did we used to meet on Sundays? For WH subject questions, who or what, then used to plus verb. Who used to live here? The answer could be, Peter used to live here. What picture used to hang on the wall? A picture of Jennifer Aniston used to hang on the wall. Of course. That was quick, wasn't it? We learnt that already. Let's see if you can do this practice. Are these sentences correct or not? Correct the wrong ones. Remember to pause the video to think if you need. That's fine. That's wrong. Don't forget the D on used. Even if you can't hear it, it's there. That one is fine. This is wrong. It should be, when did you used to go running? Don't forget the auxiliary. There used to be a good film on TV on Fridays. Don't forget the D on used to. That one is fine. Now this is a negative question expressing surprise. I just thought I'd put that in there for you. Were you surprised? Make sentences using used to in the correct form with the following words. He used to live near me. Who used to look after you? This is a subject question. The answer could be, Nanny used to look after me, or Tim used to look after me. Did you used to watch cartoons? She didn't used to understand English. Which band did they used to listen to when they were young? Where did there used to be a pub here? This person is in an area where he has been before. He remembers there was a pub, but it seems like there isn't one now, or he can't find it. What a nightmare. And here is your task. Download the practice PDF file on used to. Answer the questions, and you'll find the answers in the resources folder. Good luck.